What's good, you guys? BlackMatt here. Today we playing, I was about to say Counter-Strike, but today we playing Counter-Strike. Alright, what we gotta do? Acquire the secret guns manufacturing from their factory. Okay. Do that. Alright, so this shit is average as fuck. Alright, we got it. Oh. We could get in there, bro. We could get in here. Alright, we'll come back. We'll come back. Hey, what's over here? Who over here, bro? Oh, that's the Raiders. Right. I shot a gun out of his hand. Got pushed back. Blastmaster? What's up with this? Raid again. Raid again. Oh, ain't no fucking way, bro. I gotta fight bugs. I gotta fight some bugs. Oh, I ran out of ammo. It's good. Oh! Alright, we on. We gotta go in here. Oh. Oh, what the? Bro, this laser be doing damage, bro. You know what? I might stick to laser weapons. Shit. What the? Yeah, look at you. You limping. Oh, what the fuck? You can still crawl. What the fuck? Nigga, chill the fuck out, bro. Oh, we got the flamer in this bitch, bro. Oh, we got more flame, bro. What the? You bitch ass motherfucker! Yeah, bitch. Oh, you make my... Bro, you got me fucked up. Now you made me crippled, bro. Man, you some... Yeah, bro, I can't believe that shit happened. I'm tired of all y'all, bro. Your homie done fucked it up for all you guys. Like, for real, bro. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Oh, it requires a fucking key. Can we open it? Oh, there we go. Oh, we can't open it. Damn. Today has been a mission failed because we gotta our lockpick skills are not up, so we can't do the mission today, guys. So we could do something else though. Don't play with me. Oh! 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 Oh shit! Damn! Jesus Christ, bro. Holy fuck. What's up, bro? Y'all cool?
Stupid. Welcome to Jacobstown, human. You're free to walk around. Just don't stare at the Nightkin. They don't like people looking at them. And if you're NCR, keep it to yourself. They're not popular around here.
Any other towns, rules I need to know about?
Same as any civilized town. Don't start any fights or steal anything. We'll treat you fair. Not a lot to ask.
Alright, see ya.
Big honors.
Alright, so we're here at Jacobstown. So what we're gonna do is, well, I don't want to spoil it. Let me just do it.
Things have been a lot better since you helped with those soldier boys. Thanks again. So, what can I do for you?
Where'd you get the robot dog?
I got Rex here from a salvager a few years ago. He was a little dinged up when I got him, but one of the followers fixed him right up.
He doesn't seem very high.
He goes through spells like this from time to time. The followers said his brain is going bad or something.
Can I help somehow?
I don't know. Maybe. If you found a way to help my poor Rex here, I'd be much obliged. Your best bet would be to talk to Julie Farkas over at the old Mormon fort north of here. Maybe you'll have better luck than I did.
Alright, I have to go. Homegirl?
Is there something you need?
Oh, I guess not. Alright, the key said you could tell me more about this robotic dog.
Rex? It breaks my heart every time I see him. He's such a good dog.
So you can't heal him?
No. Rex's condition is way beyond anything we can handle. He requires brains.
Is anyone who could do
There's
that?
an old scientist named Dr. Henry who reportedly Last I heard, he...
Alright, thank you very much. Alright, I'm out. Oh, y'all on some bullshit. Damn, y'all. Nigga, fuck out of here, boy. Where's your homeboy? Where he at? How about that, bro?
Things have been a lot better since you...
Julia Farkas says some guy in Jacobstown can treat Rex.
She said, what? Why didn't she just say so when I was there? Actually, come to think of it, I was pretty angry when I went down there. I vaguely recall something about upending a few tables, maybe knocking out one of her doctors. Anyway, that's incredible news. You promised to get Rexy here to that doctor, and I'll lend him to you. What do you say?
Absolutely.
I can't thank you enough. Now, there's a few things you should know about old Rex here if you're going to be traveling together. First, he hates rats. Can't stand the things. Giant rats, mole rats, doesn't matter. He catches a whiff of one, and he's off like a shot after him. He's normally pretty obedient, but you might have to chase him some if he goes after one of the little
Alright.
Rex, this is your new master.
Come on, Rex.
As you would me.
I want to take a closer look at you. Examining Rex's brain. Rex's brain looks sticky. Damn, I didn't even get a chance to see. Examine his body because his batter is forged. The painting, recent body work. Which it contains what? Alright, let's go.
I assume this is about something important? You're interrupting my research.
Something's wrong with my cyber dog. I was told to come to you.
It's neural degradation. BioMatt gel can only preserve a living brain for so long, so you'll need to find a replacement. I haven't left Jacobstown in years, but there was one woman in Novak, Gibson. I remember her living with a pack of hounds. Aside from her, I know that the Fiends and Caesar's Legion fight alongside dogs.
Alright. So, the best thing we could go is to go to Old Lady Gibson, because, that, she gives us, the dog perk is, what is the dog perk? I think it gives more, attack damage. So, I'm recommending let's get that instead. Let's get that attack damage.
So, you're back. Now, where did we leave off?
Dr. Henry sent me, I need a new dog, new brain for my dog, cyber dog.
Dr. Henry? Now there's a name I haven't heard in years. Hard to believe he's still alive. As for your request, it's a bit ghoulish if you ask me, but Ray is pretty old and I'll probably have to put him down soon enough. As for the price for this favor, 700 caps sounds about right.
Damn! Never mind, hold on. What can I do, dude? What is this place? Who is you?
Hey there.
He's a chem addict. They might have some water in here. Whoa! Nothing's in here. Damn. We just broke into somebody's house. You okay? We just broke into somebody's house. There's another door here. Well, let's try this one. Oh! Alright, let's see what's up here. Oh, this is clear. Surprisingly. Alright, Rex. We gonna sell some shit.
Welcome, Sir Orma.
Bro, that C4, you pretty much got it. Alright, we will come back for that C4. Hey, wake up.
So, you're back.
Let's talk about Ray's brain. Here, Dale, here's 700 caps.
Here, Ray. Mama's got something for you.
Oh my god. I can't believe she did that. What
Got
the
a
fuck?
problem. Could use your help. Been having trouble with NCR mercs harassing the town, and they just showed up again. Killing our bighorners, shooting at the lodge, that sort of thing. It's getting hard to keep people from retaliating. You're human. Not looking to fight. That'll give NCR an excuse to come up here and wipe us out.
I'll see what I can do. Y'all some weirdos, bro. What's up?
Our business is with the muties.
Go away or have to deal with me. Wish you probably super mutants instead, fool.
I've always known when to fight and when to back down, and it seems to me I ought to back down this time. My men and I are leaving. You won't see us around here again.
Fuck out of here, boy. Fuck out of here.
Something on your mind?
You won't have trouble with those mercenaries again.
Good. Glad you didn't kill them. Letting them walk away proves we're not bloodthirsty mutants. If NCR or anybody else is looking for an excuse to attack Jacobstown, they're not gonna get it from us.
Alright, see ya, bro.
Again, you interrupt.
I have a new brain for this fool.
Very well. Show me what you brought so that I can analyze its potential.
This is a brain from Ray's from one of the old lady's Gibson's dogs.
All right, let's see here. Neural pathways look good. Definitely a breed of guard dog. If I transplant this brain into Rex, he'll be a bit more ferocious in his attacks.
Transplants Ray's. Yep, transplant.
Have a seat. This will take a while.
Alright. Rex has gained for further protecting for increases attack damage. Ooh. What's good, Ray? You good, bro? Hey guys, I'm gonna wrap it up there. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.